You know, you don't have to eat the salt and vinegar chips anymore.
Actually, I kind of like them.
Hey, girls. Look what I got.
Listen up now, listen to me, my girls and my family. Stronger in numbers, it's no wonder. Watch our world, watch and you'll see. There's no stopping us and our gang. Come back for you, like a boomerang. We fly so high, we fly together. We are a girl gang, like birds of a feather. We fly so high, we fly together. We are a girl gang, like birds of a feather.
Time goes by, tick-tock tick, can measure the moments with a click. Growing up, but not apart, this crew will always be my heart. Still no stopping us and our gang. Come back for ya, like a boomerang.
We fly so high, we fly together. We are a girl gang, like birds of a feather. We fly so high, we fly together. We are a girl gang, like birds of a feather.
Squad goals, give me all the feels. Fresh head to toe, you already know the deal. The name is TK, big boss at a wave. Pull to the school, still swagging every day. Winning every day, 100 in every way.
Oh my gosh, is that TK on the track?
Yup, got my hair slicked back, get my new J's on. And I'm always bumping Chicken Girls, my favorite song.
We fly so high, we fly together. We are a girl gang, like birds of a feather. We fly so high, we fly together. We are a girl gang, like birds of a feather.
Listen up now, listen to me. My girls and my family.
Hurry up, TK, I'm already late.
It's
the last walk of our summer.
You walk by my house on your way to school every day.
Yeah, but this year I'm on the swim team.
And I'm hopefully on the dance team.
So, stop rushing.
Oh, come on. The girls and I always walk together on the first day of school.
Yeah. Chicken Girls. Can y'all come up with a better ship name? Like something more mature sounding?
My sister and I really bonded this summer.
You and your sister haven't gotten along since she started dating Henry.
They broke up.
Really?
After they broke up, she got like really into photography, and now she's taking pictures for the school newspaper. Check it out.
When did you get a phone?
Right before the trip.
Do all of our friends have one except for me?
I don't know. Let me check the group chat.
There's a group chat? Kayla!
Who's Kayla?
We met at dance camp. You're gonna love her. Hey, Queen, this is my friend Kayla.
Ellie's been helping me prep for team tryouts.
There's only 3 spots on the dance team this year. Me, Ellie, and Rhyme.
Yeah, I heard all about the Chicken Girls and that dance you did when you were 5. And your
Friendship bracelets?
Well, who knows? Maybe there's a 4th spot on the team.
Maybe. There's my sis,
Who's the girl in the hoodie?
Birdie. She's my sister's best friend and captain of the dance team and the coolest girl at Attaway. Anyway, I should get to class.
Wait, aren't you gonna wait for Rhyme? It's our first day tradition.
She's the one who's late.
Jeez, what's her problem?
OMG. It's the soccer team. That tall guy, Henry, he used to date Quinn's sister.
That Henry? Our moms are friends. We used to, like, take baths together.
Baths? Oh my gosh. He's coming over here.
Hey, what's up, Kayla? Long time no see.
Not long enough.
Hi, I'm Kayla's friend Ellie.
What's up?
Sup?
Anyways, add me on Snap.
I'm good.
Oh, actually, here is Kayla's Snap code. There you go.
All right, cool. See you around.
That was amazing.
You're so weird. He looks like a ketchup packet.
I love ketchup.
I heard his mom does his eyebrows.
That's hot.
So, how have you been since the big Henry breakup?
I'm okay. Quinn's actually been really sweet about the whole thing.
Yeah, what's it with little sis being around all the time anyway? Are you talking about me?
Give her a break, Brody.
Whatever. Let's just go find homeroom.
What are you even listening to anyways?
This is the song we listened to when we were younger. It gets me really pumped up. This is gonna be the best year ever.
I thought you and your girls always walk in together.
Me too. We have English together?
Totally meant to be.
Hey, where were you this morning?
TK was so slow.
One day in the school year and you're already choosing boyfriends over best friends.
He's just my friend.
Then maybe we could set him up with Kayla.
Who's Kayla?
Ellie's cool new friend from dance camp. You'll meet her at tryouts.
She's trying out? How many spots are there?
3.